it must be, if you do this one, you have to check, you have to throw that one. Then you do that one, not that you just block it, check, then you withdraw. Then this one can still hit you. So it's the same with the knife. If here, I just do like this and I withdraw, then it's still cut. So what you do is, you do this one, you always have that connection, then you do that one. So as soon as the right hand is already off, is not in contact with his arm, then the left hand will go. If the left hand is not in contact, then the right hand will go. Okay? So the next progression will do this good thing. You can do this one using the left, or you may not use the left. Number one, you can do like this. Number two, here, cross. Number three, 1, 4, you can do this one if you are from this position and the left hand is also in this position. So you cut, then you thrust, then you can do like that. Or if you are in this position, cross position, you can just move, then you can do like that. Okay? Number 5, you can do like this, or you can just immediately do like that if you are in close quarter. So here, you do this one, or you change. Got it? So first, number 1, you can do like this, or if you feel using your left to check, it can be. But for me, as I am shorter than Leonard, I don't feel comfortable using my left hand against number 1 and against number 10. Because if I use this one, my face is closer. That's why you can just do like that, or you may use if you have longer hand. Number 2, you do this one, no? Okay? Then 3, just cross. So you are just like middle to long range, or you stay in the middle range. 4, if you are in the cross position, you just do like this, okay? Then you can do inside, okay? Or if your both hands are in this position, you can cut. At the same time, you can check. You can do this one, and you can in that position. Number 6 is 1. Okay. 7, you can do this one. But in number 6, if you don't want to end up in this position, you can go back to what we have done a while ago. Got it? So what we are trying to do now is the gunting, the crossing. Okay? It's 1. Here. 4. And 5. You can do like that, or have 5. You can do that one. 6. Here. 7. You can check and thrust. Got it? Okay, try. So we will now counter by using the check left hand to check. Okay, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If you could not use the left hand, then use the footwork. 7, here, you can do like that. 5. Sometimes you could not move this one. So you thrust, you just do like that. If it is low, okay? So here 5, if it is low, you can just do the elbow. Again 5. Here, if you could not use this one, if you could not move back. So what you do if here, since it's already there, you just drop the elbow. But if you can do this one, that's okay too. That is if he counter from this one, then he thrust like that. But if he thrust in top here, then you can use the left hand. Okay? Sometimes I do like this. I don't feel doing the shaking hand because, you see, the hand is very close to the knife. Then if I do the shaking hand, then I might be thrusting the hand. So here, 3, 4, sometimes you can just do like this. So if the knife is pointing there and you cannot use the left hand, not unless you are told that you can do like this. For me, I'm not comfortable checking like this because of the knife is pointing towards my palm. So I might be thrust here. So what I do, I just do like that. So you can use the thrust, or you can use the checking hand, or you can just use the footwork if you don't want to do the checking hand. Okay? Four, I can do like this, or four, I can just do like that. If the knife is not pointing to like this, if it is pointing to down, then you can check. But if the knife is pointing that way, it's hard. You might be meeting the tip of the knife. Okay? Then five, I can do like this, or if I could not move the footwork from five, I can just do like this, or you can do this one. Got it? Six, one, seven. Oh, you can do like that. Got it? Yes. Oh, right. So here, I feed, I check, then we can do like that. Okay? Let's go into freestyle. So I do like this, then cut. Then he can cut, or he can check, or he can poke the hand. Three, just one, okay. Four, one, six, seven. Or if you don't feel using the left hand, you just use the footwork, okay? Like this, or you can just hit with your knife, okay? Or you can just do this one, then counter. So both person is doing counter to his counter and counter to counter, okay? So here, I counter his counter, counter my counter, and counter, then he counter it also. So you can feed random. You can feed 1, 4, 5, or any number if you want. Got it? Okay, good. Number one was, then the defender will do like this, then he can thrust. From there, you can connect your left arm and do like this. If you thrust or slash, you can do like this, and that's one. Or if you thrust, the same. You go out. If it is a thrust. Or it can be with right hand. But you have to be very careful because this will go. Okay? So when you do like this, immediately you do that one. It's the same with your tapping. Remember the knife tapping, the tertia, we do it like this, okay? That one. We just put a knife in our hand. So here, we do it like this. This is for, in preparation for your spade daga. Because the spade daga, we do like this. We block, then immediately you use the closest hand, which is closest to his body is the one that you use. Okay? So you can use right hand inside, then you do that one. Then you can do this one, then you thrust. If you use the left hand to thrust or to slash, you can do like this, or you can use the right hand, okay, to ward off. Okay? Then if you go up, you can do like this. Then you can do this one. If you use the left hand or right hand, the same. Then you do one. You got it? So you can counter inside, right? Or you can counter outside. That's one. You can counter left hand outside. That's the variation that you can do against number one. In number one, you can counter right hand inside, then out. Or you can do this one, okay? You can also do it left outside, okay? That is the variation that you can do here. From there, you do this one, or you can just immediately take the right hand and move left, move the right. So here, left, then you use this one. Then if you thrust, you can just do this one here. Then you can do this one. Got it? So here, The feeder will feed one, then you can do like this. Then number two, you can do like this. Oh, then you can use patient the left. Then you can do three here, or then thrust. You can do this one, then you can do this one. Four, I can do this one, or I can do that one, then here. Got it? So this is the same with your knife tapping. Okay, get your partner to do this one. The feeder will just use one hand first, okay? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay? So now, after doing that one, you can patiently inject the left hand. 4. Got it? So especially if the attack is coming from the backhand position, whether number 4, number 6, number 2, the left hand will come out like this. Oh, this is natural. Not unless the attack is coming from forehand, it will be hard for the if he counters it, go with a force like this, then you can do like this, okay? 5. 4, immediately, if he is in open position, immediately the left hand will come in. So again, so here, 1. So what you can do as a feeder, you can feed like this. 2, 3, 4, 5. If your partner is already comfortable with it, you can slowly put the left hand there. 1, 2, then you can do like this. Then you feed number 3, and 4, you put the thrust again. Even though you just use this first, or you can use the slashing. Okay? Try. Oh, yeah. You normally do